to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Coles Island, Maryland, Chowcatty River to Cape Ridge, Maryland, and the Little Chowcatty River, Eastern Bay, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Middle River to 9 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to 13 nautical miles north of Cape Ridge, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Miles River, Greenberry Point, Severn River, Highland Beach,